This rendering issue have happened to me a few times now using this particular version of Davinci Resolve Studio, version 18, where rendering gets locked up or frozen, but the editing and color grading pages works just fine. This time I was able to document this problem with my screen recorder and perform the corrective action. If you find this information useful, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to help my small channel. I would really much appreciate it. Thanks. Shown is my usual process of using Davinci Resolve Studio 18. First, I created a new project, edited the video, color graded, and to speed up the rendering, cached the video. After caching the video and started rendering, display head will not move at all, and time remaining showing unrealistic duration around 23 hours. Clicking on stop button showed job cancelled, but the stop button got locked up. At this point, you really have no other choice but to quit Davinci. I suspect Davinci's configuration settings somehow got corrupted. To fix this issue, we need to force Davinci Resolve Studio 18 run quick setup to recreate a new preferences directory. Then copy the config.dat from the old preferences to this new directory to restore your previous projects. Note also, app data is a hidden directory. Go to the control panel, appearance and personalization, file explorer options, view tab, advanced settings, hidden files and folders, and select show hidden files and folders to display it. Click Davinci Resolve Studio 18 to run quick setup and use the same project settings and media allocation as your previous configuration. Note the first time it runs, it goes directly to the cut page. Just exit out of Davinci. To recover previous projects, copy your previous config.dat to the new preferences directory as shown. And that should have restored all your projects and fixed the rendering issue.